You searched how to buy shares of Akeso Inc. Akeso is a biopharmaceutical firm listed on HKEX under the ticker 9926. HK, and this guide is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with a valid ID and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker 9926 HK, then locate and select the Akeso Inc. listing to open its page. On the Akeso page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm you have the correct stock. Make sure the listing shows HKEX and the 9926 HK ticker. Click Invest. Choose the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review and confirm your order. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading reopens. If your account balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before completing the transaction. Your new position will appear in your portfolio after the trade completes, and a link to eToro is provided in the description for reference.